Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can convert USDT to TRX in your Binance account. You'll be able to convert USDT to Tron. TRX is also called Tron. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first step to take is to tap on your Binance app to open it. So let me open my Binance account. Let me tap on it. So guys, once you open up your Binance account, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where you see wallet. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. But before I do that, I would like to show you guys something. Once you open the Binance app for the first time, this is the first interface you're going to see. As you can see here now, this interface is the pro version of Binance account. So guys, if you're using the light version, it's going to be different. And for you to actually convert your light version to pro version, what you have to do is to tap at the profile icon at the top left corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see we are in the profile page of our Binance account. You can see at the top right corner, you can see where it is written light. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, if I want to convert my pro version now to a light version, what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written light. Then it will be converted from pro version to light version. But if you have a light version and want to convert it to a pro version, what you're going to see there is pro. What you have to do is to tap on the pro, then it will be converted from light to pro. So guys, that's how it works. So now my version now is on pro version. So guys, I'm using the pro version of Binance. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you how you can convert your USDT to TRX. So guys, now the first step that you have to take now is to tap on where you see wallet. You can see there at the bottom right corner, you can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see, as you can see here now, it's on overview. You can see there at the top right corner. What you have to do now is to tap on where it is written spot. You can see there, you can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Let me tap on spot. So guys, now you can see all the cryptocurrencies we have here. You can see USDT, you can see BTC, you can see Ethereum. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on the USDT since you want to convert the USDT to TRX. But if you can't find the USDT, what you have to do now is to tap on the search icon. You can see the search icon there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to search for USDT. Then you tap on search. So guys can see it here. So guys can see this is how you can actually search for your USDT. So guys, now let me tap on USDT. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on where you see trade. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on the trade icon. So guys, here now you can see now is on spot. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. What you have to do now is to tap on where it is written convert. You can see the arrow pointing at it. What you have to do is to tap on convert. So let me tap on convert right away. So guys, now you can see you want to convert from USDT to TRX, but you can see below there it is BTC. So what you have to do now is to change it to TRX or Tron. So let me tap on where it is written BTC. You can see it there. So guys, now what you have to do now is to search for TRX right here. Let me search for TRX. You can see the search icon there. Let me tap on it. Then let me search TRX. So guys can see there. What you have to do right away now is to tap on TRX. So let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see we can now convert USDT now to TRX, which is below. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to input the amount of USDT that you want to convert to TRX. So guys, this is where we're going to input the amount of USDT. As you can see there, I have 44.7851 USDT. So guys, if I want to convert 30 USDT, what I have to do now is to tap 30. Let me input 30. So guys can see it. But if I want to convert the whole of the USDT that I have, what I have to do is to tap on where it is written max. You can see it there. Once you tap on max, all the USDT that you have in your Binance account will be imputed there. So let me tap on max. So guys, now you can see it has imputed all the USDT that I have in my account. So guys, now you can see the conversion. 44.7851 USDT is equal to 499.22886696. So guys, now the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written review conversion. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is where you're going to confirm your order since you want to convert your USDT to TRX. So what you have to do right away is to tap on where it is written convert. You can see it down below. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see conversion successful. This is how you can actually convert your USDT to TRX. So guys, you can actually view the history by tapping on view history. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the order has been confirmed. You can see it has been completed. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. It is showing completed. So guys, now you can see it has been converted from USDT to TRX. So guys, let's go back to our home page to see if the TRX is already reflecting. Let's go back. Let me go back. Then let me tap on my wallet. Then let me tap on where it is written crypto. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now I can see I have TRX, I have Tron, which is 499.29173236. So guys, this is actually awesome. If you check now for my USDT, you're going to see my USDT is going to be reflecting 0. So let me go back to my USDT right away. So for me to look for my USDT, I have to tap on where it is written spot. You can see it there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now I can see my USDT now is now 0.00. So guys, this is how you can actually convert your USDT to TRX, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.